Hi, this is Scoggin, and this is the second video to my Thanksgiving dinner under $10 my way. If you watched the first video, it came to $9.32. I'm going to show you how it come out because I made it. Me and Mrs. Scoggin's going to kick back and enjoy it tonight. And I'll show you what I've got here. Over here we have the turkey. As you can see, it's white turkey meat. Got the mashed potatoes with the gravy. Got the stuffing mix, the cornbread stuffing, and the dinner rolls. And also going to have the pumpkin pie, but I haven't cut it yet, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now because I got this to eat. And it smells delicious, looks delicious. I know it's going to be delicious. So this is Scoggin, and just want to show you that you can make a meal for a family under $10, a Thanksgiving meal. So this is Scoggin. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. We're going to get to eating, and y'all take care.